Oh, welcome, my lash love. You are here because you want to grow your clientele. Here is how I have built my clientele, not just once, not just twice, not just 3 times, but 4 times. There are 7 main key points here. They are simple action steps to implement, but put it all together and it will attract your clients right to your lash bed, where we want them. Let's make this crystal clear for you. The first point is posting. If you do not want to post, there is no way for people to look you up and see if you are reputable. Before social media was a big thing, as it is now, I carried around a little picture book with me, literally the 4x6 pictures printed out of all my work, and I kept it in my purse. And oh, is it just giving someone my account so much easier and lighter and carrying around my phone than a whole entire book. Posting deserves to have its own video alone, but for this video's sake, we want to build a portfolio where you can turn your clients towards your work and showcase and attract the people who are also scrolling on the platform to then come and get serviced by you. Be consistent no matter if it's 3 times a week or every single day. Take a lot of pictures. Your phone, by the end of every single week, will be filled with lashes. And that is a good thing. That's how it should be. You can never have too much. Post your work, your videos, before and afters, while you're working. If someone can take a picture of you, any lash tips that you have for your clients, and your policies. If you want to make the most of your time as a growing artist, making money, learn how to plan your content. Batch work twice a month and prepare for 2 weeks in advance. There are many platforms to do this on where you can cross-post to multiple different social media channels. The easiest one to start off with is Facebook Meta, where you can post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. And my second one, the paid one, is Planoly. I haven't used it in a while because I'm getting back in the game, but I'm excited to get back to it. Second is hashtags, location, and alt text. When you are posting, utilize these tools are the must. Use local hashtags that your ideal clients are using and looking to find you. Go into the advanced settings of your post when you're making a post to the alt text and enter a short version goal caption such as Miami eyelash extensions. This alt text is helping your SEO even greater get to the top. When making a post, put your location, even to different places around your area in close proximity to show what you are around. If I'm in South Beach, I tag that, then I tag my salon in the next post, and then I tag Miami in the next post, and then I tag Lincoln Road in the next post, and then Miami Beach. All are within driving distance for my ideal clients to come and visit me. The third point is that you actually need to do the work. To be able to take pictures and post what you need to, you gotta do the work. Simple. When you take my course, I will give you a 3-month plan to do just that. If you are a painter trying to sell paintings, but you never paint, how are you gonna expect to sell all your paintings? Do the work. Grab a friend, grab a sister, grab a mother, brother, husband. Tell your dad to take a quick nap for you on the couch. And use anyone you can to build your skill and take that content that you need to be able to then post and practice. The more you focus on something, the more it'll attract. Naturally, it's what you do. What you get put in is what you get out. Do the work and the work will come. I promise, because I've done it. The fourth key point here is lash aftercare bags. You're going to give one of these good boys to every single new client or even just full set client first when they come to see you. After that, when they run out of the product, they will then come for you for the retail. The aftercare bag should include a minimum of a brush and a cleanser. Bare minimum, but spruce it up a little bit. Put your brand personality into it. I put a cleanser, a loose eyeshadow brush for the cleaning, a lash wand in a tube to keep it clean, and a card for aftercare, a business card, and a little treats, and possibly a coupon that has a percentage off their next first fill. These work wonders. Everyone wants to get a gift, right? Even if they're paying for it. Promise, it works. The fifth is to trade services. look in your group of friends, even mutual friends from nail techs, yoga teachers, hairstylists, massage therapists, someone who sees a lot of people that has the potential to be right in front of your ideal clients as well. Ask them to trade services. Trading can be fishy, and some people have different opinions on this, but the best way I have been able to get trading to work for me is to make sure that both parties feel like they are getting the better end of the deal. And yes, that is possible. You two can discuss how to decide how you want to trade. You can do this by the amount of time, hour to hour, or by dollar amount. Pretty simple. They do something for you and you do something for them. This will get the word of mouth out for both of your businesses, which is a double whammy glory. We are here for that community. That's one reason why we're entrepreneurs in the first place, right? And 6 is word of mouth. This is your true money maker. Implementing a referral program is essential for when you are building a clientele. If a client refers a full set client and their book and fulfill it, then the original client gets $35 off their next appointment or 1 free fill. That full set will make up for the loss of the discount that you gave anyway, and you have gained a whole new client that will be paying ongoing. It will pay off. I say that it is worth it. Another fun word of mouth offer is to give $5 off any client who tags you in their social media posts. But be sure to put a cap on this, because a maximum of $15 is great, but you're not going to have 5 until you're having a free fill. No, you still need to get paid. 7 is utilizing your Google. Ask every client you have to leave a Google review with your name in it specifically. If you want to give them a discount for an incentive, so be it. We want this to be genuine, so don't tell them what to say. We want to just have the reviews. The more reviews and the more pictures you have of your work on your Google business account or your salon's Google business account, the more business you'll get. Plain and simple. This has been the biggest update to my growing a clientele list of things to do. When you are grateful and giving, the more you will get. Treat your clients like gold. Lashes is not just about the service, it's about the experience. Focus on each part equally. How do you want your clients to feel? Cater to the whole entire procedure, from the introduction to the farewell and all around. I have done these steps to build a clientele once getting out of beauty school, and then twice when I moved a few hours away from home, and then when I moved across the country to Tennessee, and now again after my 3-year personal hiatus in Miami now currently. And these have been my steps every single time, and it has yet to fail me. A little bonus I want to give you is number 8. I didn't want to put it in my others because it is woo-woo: manifestation and believing. Put your screensaver saying, "Send me more clients than I can count," without being overwhelmed. Fully trust that the clients that are meant for you will come. This is not a rush process. Yes, you need the funds in your bank account, but not working with nightmare clients is worth waiting for your ideal clients to come. Believe that you are attracting your full schedule. Once you have put that order into the universe, ta-ding, it will come. But when you question or lose faith, the universe will stall because it doesn't know if you want it or not really. Put your all into it and your work will come, I promise. This is a little woo-woo, and honey, I can be woo-woo on you all day long and we can do it to the max. But this is just what I want to focus on for our business retreats, so wait for that, for the good woo-woo stuff. But there you have it. Be patient, my lash love. You are daring to get out of your drama and into your dreams, and that is huge. I want to congratulate you on being human because I am so happy you are. If you have any clientele questions, please don't hesitate to shoot them my way. I look forward to seeing you again when you like, share, and subscribe to make your lashing career more crystal clear. Bye!